Say Selenium class 11, Java variables and operators. Important chapter, Java variables and operators. Say in Java for Selenium standard edition, Java standard edition for Selenium. Otherwise you can say public term core Java for Selenium. So far we discussed first one, Java environment setup and verify. Next, Java syntax rules, Java program structure with example. Next, Java language elements one by one. Comments in Java, modifiers in Java. Next, Java data types. Okay, today we are going to discuss two topics. What are the two topics? One is Java variables. Say Java variables. Next, Java operators. Okay. First I am taking Java variables. Subramanyam, can you hear me? Bala Subramanyam. Java variables. Observe Vijaya, Java variables. See here,
Yes, sir.
and one more thing, variables, global concept. Variable is global concept. Okay, Balasubramaniam. Variable is global concept. You can find in variables. You can find variables in all programming languages and scripting languages. Purpose same. Syntax may vary from one language to another. What is the purpose? To store the temporary data or to hold the temporary data within computer program. Okay, first one.
Yes.
All of you put mute. What is variable? What is variable? What is variable? Observe. Simple definition. A named memory location. A named memory location to store the temporary data within a program. See, I'm saying temporary data, not permanent data. Say, variables don't store on hard disk. Variables store on primary memory. Anyhow, here we discussed a named memory location to store the data, to store the temporary data within a program. See, in computer environment, we have two types of memory. One is primary memory, RAM, 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 random access memory. Next, secondary memory. See, we have several secondary memory devices. RAM, ROM, DVD RAM or CD RAM. Next, HDD, hard disk drive. Next, USB, etc. Variable store in primary memory. Observe. A named memory location, to store, just a minute, to store the temporary data within a program. See, after completion of the program execution, then variables removed from the RAM. They won't store on hard disk. Okay, in computer environment, we already discussed two types of memory. Two types of memory in computer environment. Computer environment. One is, just a minute, primary memory. Primary memory. RAM. RAM. Next, secondary memory. Secondary memory. Just a minute. Primary memory, secondary memory. Secondary memory, ROM, read-only memory. Next, here, just a minute. Hard disk drive, USB, etc. Okay, now Vijay. What is variable, Vijay? What is variable? General meaning, not only in
Uh,
Java.
Sir, variable is something which holds the data, sir, for a
Okay.
temporary, for that particular program or application to run, sir, and it stores in a primary memory
Application
and
to run. Variable is mandatory to run application. Why you are
to run
including
the
the term application run? That is not mandatory. Continue.
okay, sir.
Continue. Don't
There
mix
are two
unnecessary
types of
terms.
so there are two type of memories. One is RAM and ROM, sir. RAM is that primary memory, and that is secondary memory is ROM. So where it holds the data in the primary memory, sir.
Okay.
And it does not save in the hard disk.
Okay. Observe. RAM, it's not this one. Under RAM, you can find olden days CD, next nowadays DVD, next HDD, etc. RAM, ROM. Okay. See, what is variable? A named memory location to store the temporary data within a program. We have two types of memory in computer environment. Primary memory, RAM, secondary memory, ROM. Example, hard disk drive, DVD, USB, etc. Hard disk drive, DVD, USB, these are examples for ROM, ROM. Okay, next come to second point, declaration of variables. See, just a minute. Declaration. Declaration of variables. Jyoti, can you hear me, Jyoti? Jyoti. Still problem. Next, Smriti. Can you hear me, Smriti?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Yes.
Jyoti, can you hear me? Okay, cool. What was the problem earlier? Your low response, slow response. Jyoti. Okay. Come, Smriti Pandey. Declaration of variables.
Yes, sir.
Observe Smriti Pandey. I think in the last class we discussed this concept, explicit declaration concept. Okay. Java supports explicit explicit declaration of variables. What is the meaning of explicit declaration, Smriti Pandey?
So it means that we have to declare at the time of, assigning the value to them.
Assigning value to them. Incorrect description. Suppose I don't want to assign value this time.
Sorry.
Can I?
No. We have to. I'm sorry. We have to declare the variables before assigning the value.
Before assigning value. Forget about assigning value. Forget about assigning value. Assign or don't assign, that is secondary matter. What is explicit declaration of variables? Sirisha.
Hello, sir. We have to initialize and we have to
Initialize.
define the
Initialize
value.
means assigning value.
Sorry, sir.
If I don't assign
That-
value, what is the
Define and
problem?
define value at the same time.
What will be the
Don't
problem?
lecture me. I know what I'm doing. You call me.
Before assigning the
Hello?
All of you put mute, Pavani.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Jyoti. Can you tell me, Jyoti,
Okay, sir.
what is...
Thank you.
Welcome. What is the explicit declaration of variables, Jyoti?
We need to declare the variable before using it.
Yes. That is the correct answer. Observe Siri and Smriti Pandey. Assigning value, initializing the variable, that is secondary. That is not the explicit declaration of variables. Explicit declaration of variables means declaring the variable before using it. So, for example, VB script, Visual Basic Scripting Edition. We use VB script in UFT, formerly QTP. VB script supports implicit and explicit declaration of variables. But which one is better, and how? Why VB script supporting implicit declaration of variables means without declaring the variables also you can use variables directly in VB script. That is different case, not our syllabus. Observe Java. In Java, we need to declare the variable. Syntax, data type, variable name. Observe Smriti Pandey. Here, explicit declaration of data types also means we need to specify the data type before declaring variable or while declaring variable. If it is VB script doesn't support explicit declaration of data types, that already explained. See, semicolon. This is one syntax. Next, data type. Next, just a minute. Variable, example, one name, variable one name, comma, variable 2. This is only for understanding. Next, variable 3. Like this. Means declaring multiple variables. Next, one more syntax. Data type. Next, variable name equal to value, semicolon. Initializing the value while declaration of variable. Next, suppose this one. Suppose equal to value. Observe Vijay, we covered maximum all flavors of declaration na?
Yes, sir.
Now observe Vijay. For example,
Sir, 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 variable one name is equals to value. It should come semicolon or comma, sir.
This one. Comma
Sir,
only.
comma,
Comma only.
comma, sir.
Comma only.
Okay,
Any
sir.
problem?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Comma. Next, observe. I will show example. Example. Observe Vijay. Create a class. Create a Java class. Suppose variables. Next, operators. Generate the main method. First I am declaring one variable. Suppose int a, just a declaration. Next, other type also. Suppose char b, just a declaration. Next, boolean c. Next, double day. Observe Srisha. Suppose if you want to declare string type data, if you want to use string type data, for that no primitive data type, object string, suppose e. Now, Sirisha, guide me. You assign values to all these here. Specific type of data important. Assign values. Sirisha not responding. Vijaya. Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
A equal to?
Suppose a equal to 10 over.
Yes, sir. Semicolon.
Whenever required, you can assign. But without assigning value, if you want to use that variable, it will show error. Okay, that is different case. Next, b equal to,
B equal
follow the syntax. Single quote, suppose x.
X.
Single letter, single
Yes, sir.
character. Next, suppose c equal
C
to
true.
suppose true or false. Suppose it is reserved word, no double quotes. Next, d equal to 12.345. Next,
Semicolon.
next, e equal to, suppose
Equal to
selenium testing. Selenium testing. Semicolon.
testing.
Okay, now observe Vijay. Create multiple variables. Create multiple variables. Suppose int f comma g comma h. Next, assign values. Observe Vijay. Here, suppose f equal to 50, not comma. G equal to semicolon 60, H equal to 70. Following Vijay Bhairappa, earlier you asked
sir.
comma or semicolon. Here, semicolon. You try to run this one. If any errors, here it will show a red mark. Otherwise, execution time also error. If it is not showing any error, means correct syntax. Observe Vijay. Any problem, Vijay?
Sir.
Next,
No, sir.
int. Another usage, Vijay. Int. Suppose
PQR.
I
PQR.
equal to 100. Next, int j equal to 1 2 comma k equal to 1 3 comma k l equal to 1 1 4 semicolon. Now okay na? Syntax okay na?
Correct, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Welcome. This is the declaration of variables. Okay na? Jyotirmai, we used all flavors of declaration na? All flavors.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can declare single variable or multiple variables. You can assign values directly while initializing, otherwise after initialization. Next,
Okay.
come. Pavani not responding. Pavani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
You contribute, Pavani. Third topic, Pavani, we already discussed, I think. Assign values. Assign values to variables. Assign values to variables. Observe, Pavani, you take any programming language, assign values to variables is two types. What are the two types?
Initialization and reading.
Good. Initialization and reading. Initialization means assigning
Assign
value.
values to variables in program.
Assigning value directly in the program. Suppose
Program.
a equal to 100 directly in the program. Reading means we have different flavors of reading that we will discuss later. Just know the concept. Read input using input devices, mouse and keyboard. Next, read from external files like text files, Excel files, etc. Next, read from application objects. Example, read data from error messages or read data from edit boxes, etc. Okay. Say we have two flavors. All of you put mute, including Pavani, you also. Two types of assign values to variables. Two types. What are the two types? One is initialization. What is initialization? Assigning value directly in the program. Suppose int a equal to 100, or not only directly. Suppose int b after some time or a very next statement entry. This is initialization. Next, reading. Vijay Bhairappa, we have three flavors of reading. Important one. Reading, two flavors global, last one local in test automation. What are the three flavors of reading, Vijay? Not
Sir,
responding.
not so much. No idea, sir.
No idea. Just now I mentioned. Vijaya, concentrate.
Yes, sir.
Types of reading.
Reading from the files.
That is
Or,
second one. Follow the sequence. Follow the
yes, sir.
sequence. Yesterday we discussed. In the last class we discussed. Today also just 5 minutes back I explained. Okay. Smriti Pandey. Types of reading. Jyotirmai.
Yes, sir.
Tell me Jyotirmai. Types of reading. Reading values to
Read it
variables.
read from the input devices.
Yes, read input. See, read input using input devices. Input devices. Next,
Files, read from the files.
good. Read from files. Example, text,
Text file.
next,
Text.
Excel,
Or Excel.
next, database file.
Yes.
Observe, Jyotirmai,
Yes, sir.
computer point of view, everything is file. End
File,
user
yes,
point
yes.
of view, segregation is there. End user point of view, drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, like general point. Next, directory. Suppose folders, drive, folder, drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, etc. Folder, folder names, local, user can use any name. Suppose some system folders also there. For example, program files, desktop, Java, etc. Drives, folders, next files. File
Files.
names, user defined. Suppose here I have Selenium 11 file and Eclipse folder, etc. See, end user point of view, this segregation. Drive, folder, file. But computer understand things only in terms of files. Observe Vijay. Computer understands things in terms of files only. Computer point of view, drive is file, folder is file, file is file, database also file. Database files, correct term. Okay na, Jyotirmai?
Yes, sir.
Continue next. This last one is local use. Read from application objects. Observe Jyoti. Suppose in your testing, in our application, one form is there. In that form, some edit boxes are there, customer name or city, etc. You want to capture those values, edit box values, and compare with expected. For that, you can read data, read into variable. See Selenium WebDriver methods available for reading. Then you can capture these three. Okay, na Sirisha? Assign values to variable, two types, Sirisha. A, initialization, B, reading. Reading, we have three types, Sirisha. Read input using input devices. Read data from files, text files, Excel files, database files, etc. Next, read from application objects or elements. Okay, na Sirisha, shall we move to next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next.
Sir,
Ah,
I have a question.
quick. Ask
So,
me.
do we use those three types, sir?
Pardon?
Do we use all those three types of reading?
If required, you can use all. Then what is the problem? Most of the time in our test automation, we need to use all these three flavors. I will show also that is a different case. Suppose concept is there, if required you can use it, then what is the problem?
So why you make the star for the third one,
Star
sir?
is what I told, this is local usage. In test automation only, read input, this is global, not only in test automation. Java developers also use this usage. Java developers read input using input devices. Testers use read from files also same. Already I told. Observe Preeti Joshi, invalid question. Observe.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay. You try to use proper voice devices. Before entering the star, I already told. This usage is local usage. Why? This last one is only for test automation. Suppose first one, second one, Java developers also use that one. That's why global. But our test automation point of view, three are important. Three are important. But developers point of view, third one not important. What is the problem? Joshi, Preeti Joshi.
No, no, sir.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
good.
Variable naming restrictions. Naming restrictions. Here observe Preeti Joshi. Here we have some common, not only common. Here we have some variable naming restrictions for Java. These restrictions may vary from one language to another. For example, variables are case sensitive in Java, but in VB script, variables not case sensitive. You can use uppercase and lowercase values. And one more thing, declaration time you use lowercase. Next, display time you can use uppercase, no issue in VB script. Observe first one, variables are case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive. Variables are case sensitive. Observe Bhavani. Suppose int A. Next, int B. Observe. Any problem, Bhavani? Second line is correct or?
Int B. Incorrect, sir. That one, I mean, capital B.
What I told, I never say capital letters are not used in variables, but case sensitive
Yeah,
only.
whatever we use starting is, yes. Whatever we use, we have to continue that one only.
Yes. For example, after some time, if you use A equal to 100,
Yes, sir, I
okay.
got it.
Next, suppose capital B equal to 200, it is also okay. Suppose after some time, suppose system dot out dot println of suppose A semicolon, it is incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose it will show error also. A, it is correct. Put mute Pavani. Next, after This one, B. Correct. Next, suppose small b. Incorrect. Okay, now Vijaya, did you understand this case sensitive concept?
Yes, sir.
But VB script is not a case sensitive language, just idea. In VB script, we can use either uppercase or lowercase values. And one more thing, in VB script, no explicit declaration of data types. Using dimension statement, we declare variables. No semicolon at end of the statement. No such type of formalities. Suppose after some time a equal to 100, yes, it will accept. Suppose after some time, this is built-in function, MSG box, just a minute, for display. MSG box A. It is also correct. Here, comment symbol, single quote, it will show 100. Correct syntax. Okay. Next, observe Preeti Joshi. Second one, Java variable names should start with a letter. Here, letter means alphabet, or dollar sign, or underscore. Observe Preeti Joshi. Java variable names. Java variable names should start with a letter or dollar sign or underscore. Example, observe Preeti Joshi say valid or not, or correct or not. Suppose my where. Is it correct or not? I am not writing complete syntax, partial syntax only. Just tell me my where is correct or not. Okay, otherwise
Correct.
remove this quote also. Just variable name.
It is correct, sir.
Correct. Next, my where.
That is also correct.
Also correct. Next, this one, dollar sign my where. See, single letter or single letter or multiple letters.
That is correct, sir.
Next, underscore my where.
That is also correct.
Next, 7 my where.
That is incorrect.
Incorrect. Started with number. Incorrect. Next, observe Preeti, star my where.
That is incorrect, sir.
Incorrect. Special characters not used as first letter except dollar and underscore. This is also incorrect. Next, observe my where 7.
That is correct.
Correct only. After alphabet you can use numbers. Next, observe Jyotirmai. Jyotirmai. Third one, variable names should not match with Java keywords and reserved words. See,
Java.
variable names variable names should not match with Java keywords and reserved words. Jyotirmay, what is the difference between keywords and reserved words? Can you give an example? Both are same or different? Keywords and reserved
Both
words.
are different.
Different. Observe.
Yeah.
If
These are reserved words like class.
just a minute.
Method.
Just a minute. If is keyword or reserved word?
If is a keyword.
Keyword. For
Keyword.
next import
Keywords only.
keyword only. While keyword only.
Keyword.
Next new keyword only, etc. Next observe Jyotirmay. Suppose true, false, etc. Here no functionality for true false, just values, but reserved words. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. These are keywords, key to the code. Keywords, key to the code, predefined. Next, reserved words. Reserved words. Okay. Observe Jyotirmayi. Int A, is it correct or incorrect? Correct.
Yes, correct.
Second one?
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
So we can't use the
We can't use
keywords in
keywords
variable.
or reserved words. Purpose same. For purpose already defined.
Yes, sir.
Next, observe Vijay must be unique in the scope of declaration. Means no duplicate variables. Must be unique. Must be unique in the scope of declaration. For this I will show later. Means no duplicate variables. Suppose global variable x is there, local variable x is there. With the same name you can create global variable, but global variable y is there. With the same variable we cannot create local variable. That is different. That we will discuss in example. Just remember, no duplicates, no duplicate variables, no duplicate variables in a program. Now, next, observe Vijay, must not be exceed 255 characters. See, variables range is 1 to 255. Actually, 255 characters not required for us. Usually we use 10 to 20 characters long, but it supports 255. Must be, must not exceed 255 characters. Next, we have three types of variables in Java. Observe Srisha. three types of variables in Java. One is local variables. Local. Just a minute. Local variables. What are local variables? Local variables are declared in methods user defined, or blocks, condition blocks, loop blocks, etc. Blocks. Next, instance variables. Instance variables are declared in a class but outside of a method or any block of code. Next, third one, important one, class, or you can say static variables. Class or static variables. Observe, static variables are declared as static. These are class level. These can't be local. Okay, before showing the example, just tell me, Vijaya, not Vijaya, Preeti Joshi, variable naming restrictions in Java, what are they?
Variable names should be not matched with Java keywords or reserved words.
Follow the sequence. Important point 2.
Must be unique in the scope of declaration.
Okay. Smriti Pandey, naming restrictions for Java
Yes,
variables.
yeah. So variables are case sensitive.
Good.
Variable names should start with a letter or a dollar sign or underscore.
Good.
Variable names should not match with Java keywords and the reserved words.
Good.
Must be unique in the scope of declarations.
Good.
Must not exceed 255 characters.
Good. Next, Vijay. We have 3 types of variables in Java programming. What are the 3 types of variables? I don't want definition, only headlines.
So local variables, instance variables, and class or static variables. Sir.
Good. Class or static variable. Observe, Preeti Joshi, whenever you want to explain any concept in software environment or related to information technology industry, try to follow the sequence. Not only in IT industry, you take any industry, sequence is important. Any problem, Preeti Joshi? Whenever you
No,
want
sir.
to explain anything, try to follow the sequence. Okay.
Yes.
Next, observe. Observe. Example, I will provide one small example, Preeti. Static. Static, or you can say class variable. Class variable. Just a minute. We use non-access modifier static, and you can use access modifier also, but if you don't use, then it considers a default modifier. Static data type int a, suppose value equal to 10. It is class level. We need to declare static variables before the main method, and then you can use for entire class. From other classes also, that we will discuss in OOPS chapter. Just you restrict to this class. Next, I am creating one non-static method. Non-static method. Observe, Preeti, non-static method. Suppose you know how to call non-static method using object that we will create. Public int salary. Public int salary, open curly braces. Salary is method name. Suppose int my salary. Int my salary equal to 10,000. For example, conveniences plus 2,000 plus 1,500. Example. Next, variables take latest values. Again, my salary equal to my salary plus A. Variables take latest values. Next, return this value. Return my salary. Return my salary. Observe, Preeti, int A. A is what type of variable?
It is integer.
It is static variable. Integer, okay. Static variable, class level variable. Next, what about my salary variable? My salary is local variable, isn't it? And one more thing, we used this class level or static variable in this method, means in this block of code. Observe, int b equal to 20. It is instance variable. Instance variable. Here observe one point. Observe one point, Preeti Joshi. Say, if you declare, just a minute. If you declare instance variable, you try. Just I will show one example. You try with the different examples. if you declare instance variable before main method, then it can be used, before, before main method only. Next, static variable we declare before main only. After main, syntax error. If you declare instance variable after main method, it can be used after main method only. Observe, Preeti. Suppose here you try to use this one. Suppose SYSO control space enter B. It will show 20, not showing any error. Suppose here if you try to use suppose SYSO control space enter, just a minute, control space SY, just a minute, system dot out dot otherwise not required plus B, error. Observe, Preeti, we declared after main na, it is showing error na. Next,
Yes,
observe.
sir.
For example, before main. Now it removed na, Preeti.
Yes, sir.
But what about 14th line? Error na.
Yes, sir.
So before main or after main. Okay, leave it. Next, local variables. Local variables can be used within block of code. You create one object, Preeti Joshi, in order to access this my salary method. Class name, variables operators. Create object, Preeti.
Uh,
Several
variable. Yes.
times we discussed that syntax. Vijay Bhairappa, create object.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, object name, variable, new object,
name,
class name,
variable. Your terms confusing.
new.
Object name, variable, new, confusing. Jyotirmai.
Is equals to new class.
No, stop, Vijay. Jyotirmai.
Sir, class name, object name is equals to new class name, sir.
Yes. Class name. Next, object name. You can use any meaningful name. Object name equal to new. Again, class name. Open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Now try to use this one. It will return integer type data. Suppose it is also instance variable d e equal to what is that one, dot obj dot salary. If you want to display, you can display. What is this one? 12, 13, 50, 13, 13, 510, 13, 510. Run the program. Okay. Now observe Vijay. I'm going to write one condition. If B greater than A, open curly braces, B value 20, A value 10, A is a static variable class level, B is instance, but after main method only we are using. But A variable can be used after main method, before main method also. We used before main method also. Next, suppose int D equal to, just a minute. For example, int x equal to 1, 2, 3. Now observe Preeti. Suppose control space enter A. Next, just a minute. A, B, X. A 10, B 20, X 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, after this one, again these three. After this condition block, observe 27th line showing error. What is the problem? Preeti Joshi.
It is local variables.
It is local variable.
So
Within that block
yeah,
only it can be executed. Within that block. So showing error. Run the program. See in future classes also you can get more clarity. Just remember 3 types of variables. Next.
Sir.
Sir,
I don't know, like it was little bit faster. I was not able to understand the static instance and class, sir. Can you please explain the same program once again, sir?
Static class same. Static or class. Class level variable. Observe.
Can you explain the same program once again, sir?
This A is class level variable. Can be used the entire
so we should
class.
Define as static, sir.
Pardon?
Okay.
Static,
so we should define it as a static, sir.
Static or class level variable. Synonyms.
Okay, sir.
It can be used for entire class. Observe.
Okay.
Before
okay,
main method I used this A. Next, after main method within this condition I used A. Next,
okay.
after main method, after the condition I used A. Next,
okay.
B is instance variable. Means if you declare instance variable before main method, it can be used before main method only, after main method,
okay.
after main method only. Next,
okay.
This one, local variable. Local variables we declare within block of code, within curly braces. Suppose my salary is local variable in salary method. It can be used within this method only. If you try to use this local variable outside of the block, it will show error. Next, observe, after main method, x variable is there. This x variable also local variable. Within the condition only you can use it. Suppose if you try to use after the condition, it will show error. Then what is the problem?
Okay, sir. Now I understood, sir. Can you please go a little bit on top, sir?
Okay.
You have defined public integer salary. You have defined public integer salary. So this is method means, what method means, since we need to perform some operation, that's why you are using this method, sir.
Yes. This is user defined method.
Okay. So that is the difference between main method and method, sir. Like main methods and
methods. Main method is predefined.
Where?
Predefined. Means built-in method. This salary is user defined. And one more thing, Java program execution starts from main method. It is mandatory in every Java program. But user-defined methods optional. If you want, you can write, otherwise leave them. But the problem.
Okay, sir, one more thing, sir. Just for the understanding purpose,
Ah.
since you have defined main method and method on top, can we give that method inside the main method, sir? Not possible, sir.
Which one? This user-defined method.
Ah.
Already, you can check our videos in programming Java program chapter, Java program structure with an example chapter. I clearly told we need to declare or define user-defined methods before main method only. That is syntax rule. We cannot argue.
Okay,
Next,
sir.
after main method only we can call them. Before main method also you can call, but usually we call after main method. What is the problem, Vijay?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Before
sir.
main method only you need to declare. If you declare after
Okay.
main method, syntax
Okay.
error. Why syntax error? We cannot argue. That is rule of Java.
Okay.
Ah.
Sir, and one more.
Ah.
You use the object instance variables, are like class name is equals to object. That variable operator is object is equals to new variable operator, sir. Like
OBJ
instant,
one name.
your object is E, sir. Obj.salary, since it is integer, so
No. Object is not E. Object is OBJ.
sir. OBJ.
E
Okay.
is just integer variable. That is also instance variable. We are storing this object state.
In object state.
We are storing that object state into variable. Otherwise, you can directly display how you can directly display? Just a minute. Suppose, but my intention is not only display. Suppose obj dot salary. It will display directly. Otherwise, you can store into variable. Then you can use that value. What is the problem, Vijay?
Okay, sir.
You practice
Sir, I
more.
have a question. So I didn't get this obj.salary. What is?
Who is asking?
So Smriti.
Smriti. This is calling methods. What is the problem? Calling methods. Observe, Smriti.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Calling method. Say calling method. Anyhow, that is method related. That we will discuss later. Observe. Obj dot salary. Next, no parameters. Semicolon. Obj is object, user defined object. Next, salary is user defined method. Object dot method. What is the problem, Smriti?
I got it, sir. I got it.
Cool.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come to mainstream. Second one more important topic, Java operators. Observe Jyotirmayi. Operators. It is also global concept.
Yes, sir.
You can find this. Operators in all programming languages and scripting languages also. Operators are used to perform arithmetic. First arithmetic. Already
Yes, sir.
I told to Preeti Joshi. Whenever you want to explain anything, maintain the sequence. Here also arithmetic first. Why first? That is different case. Arithmetic operators having high priority than other operators. Arithmetic operators written value based result, not Boolean result, not logical result. Say, if you know the concept, try to explain in sequence. Okay. Operators are used to perform arithmetic, comparison, and logical operations. Say in Java we have rich set of operators. Our test automation point of view, 4 categories of operators important. One is arithmetic operators, next relational operators, next assignment operators, last one, fourth one, logical operators. See, operators are used to perform, just a minute, operators are used to perform arithmetic, next comparison, just a minute, comparison and logical operations. Next categories of Java operators. See, 4 important categories. First one, arithmetic. Just a minute. Arithmetic operators. Next, comparison operators. Next, assignment operators and logical operators. These 4 categories important. Bitwise operators remaining lightweight or no use. Come Jyotirmayi, I'm taking this first one, arithmetic operators.
Yes, sir.
Arithmetic operators. Before that, okay, operator symbols may vary from one language to another,
Yes.
but purpose same. Suppose if addition operator is there, addition purpose same
Yes,
in Java or C or C++ or C#, .NET or VB, but operator symbol may vary. Suppose multiplication, division, etc. Before that, first we are going to discuss general operations. Jyotirmayi. Arithmetic
Yes,
operations. What are the arithmetic operations? For
addition,
example,
subtraction.
addition, isn't it? General.
Yes, sir.
Forget about Java or any other programming.
Subtraction.
Subtraction, general awareness. Subtraction. Next,
Multiplication.
multiplication. Multiplication. Next,
And division.
Division.
Percentage.
Modulus. Percentage is not the operator name. That is not the operation, isn't it?
Yeah. Mean, mode.
Modulus.
Modulus.
Say percentage is symbol. Next,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
exponentation to the power of
Exponent.
10 to the
Yeah,
power
to
of 2, like that.
Yes.
Exponentiation. exponentation, etc. Okay. Observe, Jyotirmai, here one small assignment to you. For addition, direct operator is there for Java, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. But for exponentation, no direct operator. Okay, another method is there, assignment to you. How to conduct exponent operation. How to conduct exponentation in Java. Okay, na Jyoti?
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
Okay, cool. Jyoti. Okay. Next, one more thing. If it is VB script for exponentation also operator is there. That operator is cap symbol. This is, but here no such type of operator. Okay. Next, I will introduce just a minute. Operators first, then show examples. Observe Vijay. Observe Vijay. First, addition. Here symbol is plus sign Bhairappa. It acts as addition operator as well as another functionality, string concatenation. Next, observe Vijay. I will show an example. Observe Vijay. Suppose int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 20, semicolon. Suppose int c equal to a plus b. It is addition. Observe Vijay. It is addition. Next, string d equal to selenium, semicolon, just a minute. Next, string d equal to testing, semicolon. Next, for example, string f equal to d plus e. What is the output, Vijay? What is the output?
So Selenium testing, sir.
Selenium, no space, testing. Suppose if you want space, here you can, after Selenium you can use space, otherwise before testing. Okay. This is first one, Vijay, addition operator. Next, subtraction, symbol, hyphen, minus symbol, subtraction. Here also two different usages, Vijay. One is subtraction, another is negation, means negative sign. Observe Vijay. Int a comma b, int a comma b. Just a minute. Values a equal to 10, a equal to 20, b equal to 10. Suppose int c equal to a minus b. It will show 10. What is this one? Subtraction. Subtraction. Next, suppose int d equal to, observe Smriti Pandey, minus 100. What is this usage? Smriti
Negation, sir.
Pandey. Negative sign.
Negation, sir.
Negation. Okay. Next, observe Vijay. Third one. I will show example anyhow later. Now just multiplication. Multiplication. Hashtag symbol, star symbol. Next, division. Division symbol, forward slash. Next, modulus. Modulus. It returns a reminder, percentage. Next, increment. Increment, plus plus. Next, decrement. Decrement, minus minus. See, these are the important arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Observe an example, Vijay. Observe. Just a minute. Observe. Suppose int a equal to 10, comma, b equal to 5, semicolon. Next, suppose string c equal to Selenium, just a minute. Selenium, comma, d equal to testing. Okay, string. Okay. Next, perform operations. Observe Sirisha. Sirisha, observe. Suppose SYSO control space enter, short form for output statement. First I am writing message, addition of message optional, A comma B is close this one, concatenate message with variable value A plus B. Observe in the seventh statement or seventh line I used two plus operators. First one left side, operators evaluation from left to right. First one concatenation, second one addition. What is the output? Just a minute. Addition. Addition of A comma B is what is the value? 15. Next, observe Srisha. Suppose SYSO control space enter A plus B. Just addition. Expected 15. Next, SYSO control space enter C plus D Srisha. C plus D. C plus D.
Selenium testing.
Selenium testing. Selenium testing. Next, just a minute. A minus B.
5, sir.
Good. 5. Subtraction. Next, A asterisk B.
50, sir.
Good.
50.
50. Next, A by
Slash.
B. A
2,
by
sir.
B. What is the output? 2.
2, sir.
2. Just a minute. E equal to not required. A by
Modulus,
B.
sir.
Observe Srisha. Exact 2 na. Suppose B4. Run the program, it will show 2 only. Integer division only. Suppose if you want that one floating point value, general division, how to conduct general division, that I will show later. Observe Bhairappa, this division operator shows only integer division, integer point value only. Suppose 2.4, it will show 2 only. 2.9, 2 only. It's not general division, integer division. Okay, now Bhairappa, here
Yes, sir.
we found 2 problems. One is no direct operator for
Decimal.
exponentation. Another is no
Okay, sir.
this one general division. That general division that I will show in future. Okay. Next, any other percentage? Percentage is there.
Modulus.
Modulus. It returns reminder.
Reminder.
Vijay, reminder. What is the last statement output, Vijay? 13th line output. 13th
0,
statement
sir.
output.
0.5. Oh,
0, sir.
0. Who is telling point like that? 0. 10 by 5. 10 divided by 5. 0.
yes, sir.
No reminder. Suppose observe Jyotirmayi. 10 by 3. A 10 B 3. What is the reminder?
Yes, sir.
What is the
3
value?
points.
Pardon?
3.1.
3. Only 3.
3
1 is a
only.
reminder.
No.
3 only. Sorry.
1 is a reminder.
1. Suppose
1 is.
1 is reminder.
Yes, sir.
Observe last
Plus.
output 1.
1.
Observe Jyotirmayi. 10,
Yes, sir.
10 modulus 4. 10 modulus 4.
Yes, sir.
What is the output?
2.
2.
2.
The reminder. 2 is the reminder. Suppose 10 modulus 5. 10 modulus 5.
0.
0. Okay, now Smriti Pandey, are you understanding this returning reminder?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's clear. Sir.
Okay, cool.
Sir,
Ah,
I have a question.
ah,
On fourth line,
ah.
when you written their integer, so instead of integer, if you will mention their float, okay. So on 11th
Okay,
line,
okay.
what will be
That
the
we will
output, sir?
discuss later. And one more thing, I declared integer. Okay, na?
Yes.
But here displaying integer, that's why it is displaying integer. Anyhow, that we will discuss later. General division, how to conduct that one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem?
No problem.
Okay, cool. All of you put mute. Here observe one small point, Vijay. You take any programming language, arithmetic operators having high priority than other operators. Why? What is the reason behind it? Any idea, Vijay? Preeti Joshi, any idea?
It is precedence.
What my question? Arithmetic operators having high priority than other categories of operators. In any
Sir, because it return
programming,
values,
what
sir.
is the reason? Just a minute, Vijay. Your turn is over, Vijay. Tell me, Preeti, what is the reason behind it?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. You tell me, you continue, Vijay.
Calculated return values, sir.
Yes.
So that's why it is having high priority, sir.
Arithmetic operators return value based result. Suppose 10 plus 3, 13. 13 is value. Suppose A greater than B, true or false? That is not value. That is not exact. Value based result. Okay, na Preeti? Value based result. For example, comparison operators, logical operators, etc. return Boolean result, logical result. Confirm, Preeti Joshi, or
Yes,
else
sir.
ask
Yes.
question.
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay. First one. What is the B? Relational operators. Relational operators. What is the another name? Pavani, relational operators are
Comparison.
comparison. Good. Comparison operators. Okay. Observe, Pavani. Here we
Greater
have
than, less than. Greater than, equal to, less than,
yes,
equal to,
yes,
greater than, less than.
equal to. Here all are having same priority. You can maintain any sequence. So equal to, it's not necessary. Not equal to, next, greater than, next, greater than or equal to. Don't use space in between greater than and equal to. Next, less than, next, just a minute, less than or equal to. Observe Vijaya, relational operators, return relational operators, return Boolean result. Boolean means logical. What are the logical? True
True or false.
or false. Yes or no, like result. Result. Example. Example. Observe, Vijaya. Observe. A10, for example, B equal to 20, 20. I am taking two variables. Now observe the operations. A by B. What is the output, Vijaya? A by B?
A. False, sir.
False. Not, sorry. A greater than B.
Greater than.
A greater than
Yes.
B. What is A greater than B? A
False.
greater than B false. Yes. A greater than B false. Why? A10, B
B is 20.
20, A greater than B false. Not correct. Next, A greater than or equal to? No.
False.
It is not either greater than or equal to. False. Next, suppose less than
True.
B. Yes, is less than.
True.
Why? A10, B20. 20. 10 less than 20 only. True. Next, for example, less than equal to. Not both, not equal to, but anyone. Or means either this or that. Anyone, not AND operation. Next, suppose equal to. Observe, Vijaya, in Java we have two types of equal to. One is double equal to. Double equal to means a relational operator, Vijaya. Suppose single equal to is there. Single equal to means assigning value. Assigning value. Double equal to means verifying relation. Relation.
Yes.
Suppose A equal to B.
False.
False. Just a minute. Suppose not equal to. Here
Not equal.
exponentation and equal to. Yes, true.
True.
True. Just a minute, Vijaya. Just a minute. Remove the blank lines. Don't use unnecessary spaces. Sometimes we need to use blank spaces or blank lines in order to increase the clarity of the program, but don't use unnecessary spaces. Suppose after this 13th line, if I use unnecessary lines, no syntax error, what is the problem? Execution, program execution time will be increased. Slight, but execution time will be increased. So execution performance will be decreased. So don't use unnecessary spaces. Run the program. False, false, true, true, false, true.
True.
Any confusion? Preeti Joshi. Preeti Joshi, any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, cool. Next, come to assignment operators, Preeti Joshi. Assignment operators. C. Assignment operators. Here we have several assignment operators in Java. Observe, Vijay, but our test automation point of view, 4 operators important. These also limited use. One is just assignment. Just assignment. We already discussed double equal to for comparison, single equal to for assignment. Next, add and assign. Add and assign. Plus, just a minute. Add and assign plus equal to. Next, subtract and assign. Just a minute. Subtract and assign minus equal to. Next, fourth one, multiply and assign. Multiply and assign. Hashtag symbol equal to. These are four important ones. Others also there. These are four important. Observe Vijay. Example. Observe Vijay, you need to guide me. Suppose int a equal to 10, Vijay. Int a equal to 10. Next, just print int a. Suppose SYSO control space enter a. What is that one? Output 10.
10, sir.
Next, observe Vijay. A equal to anyhow. Don't confuse. Variables take latest values. A plus 10. A plus 10. What is the output?
20, sir.
What is the output, Vijay?
20, sir.
20 plus 10 plus 10. A already 10 plus 10.
20.
20. Just a minute. Next, observe Vijay. Suppose A initial value 10. We are changing the value, A value. Next, observe Vijay. A plus 10. Just a minute. Plus equal to 10. Add and assign. Add and assign. Vijay, add and assign.
Sir, it will be 20 only, sir.
20 only. Good. Just a minute. Next, A minus equal to 10. A minus equal to 10.
Sir, line
Yes.
12.
Just
I
a minute,
think
Preeti.
system-
Just a minute, Preeti. I will explain. Tell me, Vijay.
A is equals to 0, sir.
A equal to
0.
0. Okay.
Minus.
You forget about 10th line,
Sir?
Vijay. Just a minute, Preeti. Forget about 10th line, Vijay. Up to
Okay.
12th line. Now 12th line. Just a minute.
Yeah, you need to change
Yes.
this. Yeah.
Now 12th line A is 20 na.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay.
minus 10.
20 minus 10.
Okay. Now
Correct, sir.
tell me, Preeti.
No, I was just telling about the error, sir.
Okay, cool.
On the 12th line, now you correct me.
Okay, cool. What about you, Jyotirmai?
I'm good, sir. Actually, now I got it.
Okay, cool. I multiply equal to 10. Multiply equal to 10. Vijay. Now,
Sir, it is
current value of
100, sir.
A,
Is 10.
value of A after
Is
15th
100.
after 15th statement 10. 10 into 10,
100.
100.
100.
100. Run the program. 10, 20, 20, 10, 100. 10, 20, 20, 10, 100. Any problem, Sirisha?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay. Next, come Sirisha. Come. I think this logical operators, first I will explain theory with syntax. Example I will show tomorrow. I think time won't permit. Okay, good. D, logical operators, Sirisha. Here we have three important logical operators. One is logical
Equal
not operator, Sirisha. Symbol is exponentation.
Yes.
Next,
And
logical AND operator. Next symbol is double ampersand.
double end. Ampersand.
Next,
Yes.
third one, logical
Or.
OR operator. Symbol is pipe symbol. Observe. Okena, Sirisha. Result criteria. A result, just a minute. A result criteria for not operator. Observe, Srisha. Suppose operand. Otherwise, you can say expression. Operand. For example, A greater than B. It is one operand. B greater than C. That is another operand. Otherwise, A greater than B. One expression. B greater than C. Another expression. Operand 1. Next, operand 2. Next, operand 3. Observe, Srisha. For example, operand 1, true. Operand 2, also true. What is the result? Not operand 3. Result.
True.
True. First one true. Second one, suppose A greater than B. B greater than and B greater than C, then do something, means first part only.
Yeah.
True. No. Sorry. It is not operator. Negation. Negative type, Sirisha.
Sir, could you give examples, sir?
Negation means if both are true, then false only. Suppose either this or that. That is true only. Suppose both are true. Negation means it is not correct. False. It is not general, not operator. Observe Srisha, in general scenario, true only. What is the opposite of general scenario? Negation scenario. False only. Either this or that. That is negation correct. Suppose both are true. No. Suppose true. False. Observe Srisha, true, false.
False.
Hello?
I am not getting this point, sir.
True only. Observe Vijay. Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Suppose not operator means either this or that, not both. Then true, false.
False. False.
Jyotirmayi.
They're telling you will get everything, but still like.
True means either this or that. If both are true, false. Both are false, true. But either this or that. Otherwise, observe Srisha, you remember these result criteria blindly. But logic is either this or that. False, true. False, true. True. Anyhow, it is negation na. False, false. Observe Sirisha, if it is general, first one false, second one false, third one also false. But negation na, true. Observe Sirisha, first one, true. If it is general, true. But negation, false. Last one, false. General, false, but true. And one more thing, here negation means either this or that. Either this or that. Just a minute, I will show one small example. Then you can get more clarity. Either this or that. Try to follow this example. First, I'm not taking any values. Just take general Boolean values. Later, I think tomorrow I will show examples with values also. If time permits, today only I will show. See, Boolean A equal to true, B equal to false. Okay. If A just a minute. Not logical negation. If not A and B. If not A and B. Actually, condition not required. Remove this one. Not A and B. What is the output, Sirisha? A true, otherwise, okay, leave it. A true, B false.
True, sir.
True. Okay, just a minute. True. Next, suppose negation of suppose not negation, general A and B. Sirisha, general.
A and B. True, sir.
No. A and B. If both are true, then true na general na. Here I didn't use not.
Yes, sir. If both are true, it will be true, right?
Both are true. Both are true. A be true.
Okay. If A is equal to true, B is false, then A and B are false.
False. Next, observe. Suppose A, pipe symbol B. Now tell me, Srisha. Here also I am not using not operator.
A equal to
Or either this or that. But and both.
True, sir.
True. Okay. We will discuss some more examples also. Just observe. Observe, Preeti Joshi. True, false, true. Now come to and operator. You only guide me, Sirisha. Come to and operator. And logical and. These criteria for all programming languages, not only Java. Can you tell me, Sirisha? True, true, and operator. Operand 1 true, operand 2 true.
Result is true.
Result is true. Here you no need to think about negation. Positive. Next, okay. True, false.
True, false. False.
False. Next, false, true.
False.
False. Next, false, false.
False.
False. Good. Next, observe Pavani. Pavani. Result criteria for R operator. Logical R. True, true.
True, sir.
You put note, Pavani. You continue, Vijaya. True.
Yes.
Second one, true, false. R. True, false. True, false.
True.
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 Next, false, true.
True.
Next, false, false.
False.
False only. Okay. Next, observe Preeti. Any confusion, Preeti?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Can you please go into the AND operator?
And
The last one, false, false is false.
False only. Here no negation. Suppose A grade, observe Jyotirmayi. A greater
Yes,
than
sir.
B and A greater than C, then declare A is a big number. Else A is not a big number. Suppose A greater than B false. Next, A greater than C also false. Then how can you declare true part? A is big number. A is not a big number, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So false only. You check this
Okay.
one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Observe Preeti Joshi.
Thank you.
Welcome. Preeti Joshi.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, cool. I will show one example. Observe Preeti Joshi. Guide me, Preeti Joshi. First, int a equal to 100, int a equal to 100, b equal to 500, next c equal to 1000. Observe Preeti Joshi. A, B, C. If multi-condition A greater than B, A greater than B, and A greater than C. Open curly braces, then SYSO control space enter. A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, else SYSO else suppose A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Observe Preeti Joshi. Observe that logic. Here we are using AND operator. AND operator. That is for compound condition. Here two conditions. One is A greater than B. Another is A greater than C. We are combined these two conditions with compound condition called AND. A is correct.
A is not a big number.
Just a minute. First condition is correct or not?
No, it is not.
Second condition?
That is also not right.
So A is not a big number. Run the program. A is not a big number. Now observe. Suppose A 1000. Now observe Preeti Joshi. According to these values, first condition A greater than B, true. Next A greater than C, also true. Isn't it? Now tell me the output. Vijay, you continue, Vijay. Preeti not responding.
Big number, sir.
Pardon?
A is a big number.
A is a big
A
number.
is a big number, sir.
Good. A is a big number. Just a minute. A is a big number. Next, observe another way. Observe Vijay. Suppose A is A greater than B, okay. A greater than C, not okay. First condition true, second one false. False only. A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Suppose second condition A greater than C correct. First condition A greater than B not correct. False only. A is not a big number. Suppose B 5000, C 9000, A greater than B false, A greater than C also false. So false only AND operator. A is not a big number. Okay, now observe Vijay. AND operator, we fulfilled all na. First true, second true, first false, second true, first true, second false. Next, first and second both false
Yes.
like. Okay na?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, next I will show some more examples tomorrow. I'm going to close the session, today's session. Any queries, Jyotirmai, regarding this today's session? Java variables
sir, I
and
am
up.
good. Thank you.
Welcome. Balasubramaniam. Any queries, Balasubramaniam? Not responding. Vijay, any queries?
No, sir.
Welcome.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Balasubramaniam. Balasubramaniam messaged. Next, Pavani. Pavani,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Preeti Joshi,
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Sirisha.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Smriti Pandey,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
welcome. Vijaya,
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
welcome. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.